The patient information used in this tutorial is only for general informational purposes. We have used de-identified patient data as per Public Health Information Guidelines. Hello everyone, this instructional video will guide you through real-time insurance eligibility verification for a single patient and batch mode insurance eligibility verification for bulk patients in expEDIum medical billing software. Log in to expEDIum medical billing. First, let's go through real-time insurance eligibility verification for a single patient. To verify a single patient's insurance eligibility, go to Check Eligibility option. On the patient list screen, the inquiry yields real-time results within seconds. Let's send an insurance eligibility inquiry for John Cooper. Enter his first name and search. Click Check Eligibility, which opens the real-time eligibility inquiry window. This window displays patient information populated from patient demographics. You can update payer, provider type, and practice NPI or tax ID from the drop-down menus. The patient details such as first name, last name, date of birth, patient sex, and patient social security number are auto-filled from the patient demographics and cannot be edited. Payer ID and payer name are automatically filled from the patient demographics, but they can be edited. If you notice that the payer ID is missing, do populate using the lookup. Service type lists the HIPAA-supported options, providing users with a selection of choices. Users can set the plan date to any desired date, allowing them to inquire about coverage for a date other than the current one. The Benefit Coverage Level Code lists various codes as per the HIPAA 270 implementation guidelines. This is an optional field. Once all details are entered, click Submit for eligibility verification. A window will appear with the message Eligibility Verification in Progress. You can review the inquiry status under Last Eligibility Inquiry Status on the patient list screen. To view inquiry and response details, go to Patients, Eligibility, Inquiries. The Inquiries screen displays patient details along with eligibility status, whether eligible or not eligible for insurance payment. Click the response icon to view inquiry response details. Now, we will be going through the insurance eligibility verification batch mode. For bulk patients, you can group and send eligibility inquiries in a batch, however, not simultaneously. For batch mode, insurance eligibility verification is not real-time. We will get the status after a few hours. In the Patients tab, select Eligibility. Batches from the drop-down list. Click Add Batch. Specify the batch name. The system generates batch names that can be changed. Click OK to create the batch. Select View Batch and click Add Inquiry, Single. Users can specify whether they are inquiring from the primary, secondary, or tertiary payer. By default, primary payer is chosen. The provider type defaults to practice, and inquiries are sent from the practice to which the patient belongs. The practice NPI lists one or more billing provider NPI that is configured for a given practice. Most clinics have only one billing provider NPI, although some may have multiple. Use the provided lookup to select the patient. Then click Select. If payer ID is not populated, click Payer ID Lookup. Search. Choose from the results, and then tap OK. Finally, click Submit. To add multiple inquiries, click on Add Inquiries Multiple. You can add multiple inquiries to the batch, and validation will be done in the back end. Both valid and invalid inquiries will be added to the batch, but the batch cannot be submitted if any inquiries within the batch are in error status. Choose Patients and click Add Selected. To add all selected patients, click Add All. Use the Add New option to add new patient details for Insurance Eligibility Verification. Specify the inquiry details and select Yes to continue or No to return to the patient lookup window. To remove inquiries from a batch, select them using the checkbox and click Delete. Only unsubmitted inquiries from a batch can be deleted. After adding multiple inquiries to the batch, select them and click Submit Batch to submit the inquiries for the bundling in batch. The batch status will change from pending to created. You can search the inquiries across all multi-inquiry batches and real-time inquiries and check their status. In Patients, go to Eligibility, Inquiries from the drop-down. Click the patient's name link to open their eligibility history window. Click the View Inquiry icon to view the inquiry request screen. Click the View Response icon to view the response details. Log into expEDIum Help. Refer to Chapter 3, Section 3.21 and 3.22 of the User Manual to find out more about Insurance Eligibility Verification. That's all for this session. Thank you.